This is my intro. Hey loves, it's me Destiny, and today I am back with a really quick video on how I actually repair my locks. So just gonna jump right into it. Alright, so my hair is up and I have the lock out that I want to work on. And this lock actually has 3 weak spots in it. But honestly, this whole little middle section right here where my hand is just weak. So we got to take care of that, okay? So first things first, you want to identify the 2 strong points, which are going to be, the little end bit right here, which is thick, and then the upper bit, which is thick as well, okay? Then you're going to take the loose hair, the thinning hair. Okay, so Neutrogena is great at removing the makeup off my hands, but she's also great at drying out my hands. So it does look like I've been punching 2 bags of flour. I do apologize. I did not realize this until after I finished. And all I'm doing is folding the hair like so. And that way, when I crochet it, I'm going to crochet it in a fold. So in doing so, I strengthen the lock. All right. So you do lose a little bit of length, but look, I'd rather lose a little bit of length this way than be walking in the supermarket and my lock just pop out and scare somebody. Look, I'm not I'm not trying to do that. You're gonna take your little crochet needle. I'm using a 0.90. Now I'm gonna stick it through the rest of the fold. Like so. So this is what you should be looking at. Okay. So now I'm going to crochet it just like normal. Now if you guys don't know how to crochet, I do have a video on that. While you're doing that, you do want to make sure you squeeze your fold, like you're holding the hair in place, because if you don't, you will end up with lumps. Take your time with this, okay? So as you can see, we are legit just crocheting the lock into this, into the fold. And you just go a bit at a time. Do not try and do the whole thing at once. And you don't have to completely crochet it to move on to the next section. You just have to make sure it's crocheted enough to the point where it's not going to come undone. And the reason being is because we actually have to go back and crochet it, but from the other side. This is what it's looking like right now. No, we are not done, because that looks crazy. Can you see that line right there? Legit, like where I folded it and everything. Like we are actually going to crochet. So put our needle through this side now with a gap. Because before we were just trying to lay the fold down. So the reason why we're crocheting it this way is to hide that line, to blend it better. Okay? So same thing, it's just crocheting. So right now all I'm doing is just making sure I got it as blended as possible, because that really does matter. You do not want your lock to unfold. All right, so now I'm gonna palm roll it just to blend the shape with the rest of my lock. Right, and there you are. Yes, I did lose length, but look. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Take care.